we're going to take a quick look to see what it looks like to do a peer review in Canvas. So as soon as you log in, once your teacher has assigned a peer review to you, you should see in your to-do list the peer reviews and along with the due date. So you're going to see it in a couple different places. Also, if you go into your course, you're going to see it in your to-do list. And finally, if you are in your class modules and you go into your peer review assignment, you're going to see over that you have submitted it, and then underneath that you'll see assigned peer reviews, and you can see the 2 students that you've been assigned to. And so if I select one of the students, this is the view that you will open up to. Now, there's different ways that you can do this, but if you select View Feedback, then that will open up a preview of the paper that you need to peer review. Now, you might want to work with moving this around, and I advise on working on a big screen or maybe even working with 2 screens. So you can select the expansion arrows to get full screen. Once you're in full screen mode, you'll be able to see that there are several different tools up at the top. These allow you to directly annotate the document that your classmate will be able to see. So for example, if you want to use, there's the box tool. Say so you want to highlight the fact that they've had evidence of meeting certain criteria, or if you say you find something that needs to be corrected, this is the location tool, and it will leave your name there with your comment, so you can give more information there as a comment. And that way they'll be able to look through directly on their document and find any corrections or other insight that you wanted to share. To access the rubric, I'm going to go ahead and select Show Rubric. And now I can see if I'm on a large screen, the document here, and then also the rubric on the right. So the rubrics in Canvas are tabular, meaning they work kind of like a calculator. So for example, after you've reviewed and you're ready to look for scientific accuracy, you can read the different criteria ratings and then look for the evidence in the document that you're reviewing, and then you can simply select them for each criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of randomly select them. You can see it'll leave a highlighted color based on what you select, and then once you're all done with that, you can select Save Comment. Additionally, you can add comments, you can add media comments or attach a file. So this would be another third place for you to add any helpful information for the revision or of the evaluation of your peer review.